What if the key to unlocking immense wealth lies not in your bank account, but in your mind? Welcome to the world of Neville Goddard, where imagination becomes reality, and where billionaires are made, not born.
Neville Goddard was more than just a spiritual teacher. He was a pioneer in understanding the connection between our thoughts and our reality.
Born in 1905, Goddard's teachings revolutionized how we think about success and abundance. His core belief? That our imagination is the gateway to the life we desire. Meet Sarah, a budding entrepreneur struggling to launch her startup. Like many of us, she dreams of financial freedom, but feels stuck in a cycle of scarcity. And this is Michael, a dedicated teacher burdened by debt. He's always put others first, but now wonders if he'll ever achieve financial security. Can Goddard's techniques transform their lives? Let's begin our journey into the billionaire mindset. Before we can manifest wealth, we must first define what wealth means to us. It's not just about money in the bank, it's about the lifestyle, the freedom, the impact we wish to make. For Sarah, wealth means the freedom to pursue her passion without financial constraints. Michael envisions a life where he can teach without worrying about bills and even start an educational foundation.
When we clearly define our vision of wealth, we give our subconscious mind a target to aim for. It's like programming your internal GPS.
Take a moment now to envision your ideal wealthy life. What does it look like, feel like? The more vivid and detailed your vision, the more powerful it becomes. Remember, there's no right or wrong. Your vision of wealth is uniquely yours. Embrace it fully. Now that we've defined our vision of wealth, it's time to bring it to life through Goddard's visualization technique. Visualization is more than daydreaming. It's a deliberate, emotionally charged practice that reshapes our mental landscape.
When we visualize with intention and emotion, we're literally rewiring our brains to align with our vision of wealth.
Michael practices visualizing every evening, immersing himself in the sights, sounds, and feelings of his wealthy future self.
The key is to involve all your senses. See the life you want, hear the conversations you'll have, feel the emotions of success. Make it as real as possible in your mind.
Sarah found that visualizing by the ocean amplified her practice. The rhythmic waves helped her sink deeper into her vision of success.
At first it felt silly, but the more I practiced, the more real it became. I started noticing opportunities I would have missed before.
Remember, visualization is a skill. Like any skill, it improves with consistent practice. Goddard taught that to attract wealth, we must align our emotions with our desires. Michael starts each day by feeling grateful for the wealth he's visualizing, even before it materializes in his bank account.
It felt strange at first, being thankful for money I didn't have yet. But it's changing how I feel about my finances. I'm more optimistic, more open to opportunities.
This emotional alignment is crucial. Our subconscious doesn't distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences. By feeling wealthy now, we're training our mind to attract wealth.
Incorporate these practices into your daily routine. Visualize your wealthy life each morning to set a positive tone for the day. As Sarah consistently practiced these techniques, she noticed a shift. She began carrying herself differently, making decisions with more confidence.
I started asking myself, what would my wealthy self do? It's amazing how that simple question has changed my approach to my business.
Remember, this isn't about ignoring your current reality. It's about training your mind to focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Even as we practice visualization, doubts can creep in. Goddard taught us not to resist these doubts, but to transform them.
When doubts arise, acknowledge them. Then, in your mind, place them in a balloon and watch it float away. Redirect your focus to your vision of wealth.
Sarah uses this technique whenever she faces a setback. Instead of spiraling into negativity, she refocuses on her vision of success.
Speaking directly to camera, it's not about ignoring problems. It's about not letting them derail my bigger picture. I deal with issues, but I don't let them define my journey.
Visualization isn't a substitute for action, it's a catalyst for inspired action. As Michael aligned his thoughts with wealth, he felt motivated to educate himself about personal finance.
Speaking directly to camera, I used to avoid thinking about money. Now, I'm excited to learn. I'm making better decisions, and it all started with changing how I think.
Combine visualization with practical steps. Learn about investing, budgeting, and wealth creation. Approach these tasks with the confidence of your visualized wealthy self.
Remember, real transformation takes time. Be patient, stay consistent, and celebrate small victories along the way. As we conclude our journey into Goddard's wealth visualization techniques, remember, true wealth starts in the mind. Sarah and Michael's journeys didn't happen overnight, but by consistently applying these principles, they've transformed their relationship with wealth and opened doors they never thought possible.
Visualization isn't magic. It's a powerful tool that, when combined with action, can reshape your financial reality.
It's about aligning your inner world with your outer goals. When you do that, you start to see and seize opportunities you might have missed before.
Your journey to wealth is unique. Embrace these techniques, make them your own, and watch as your financial landscape transforms. Now it's your turn. Close your eyes. See your wealthy future. Feel it. Believe it. And then, with the wisdom of Goddard and the determination of a billionaire, go out and create it.